Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. So as you guys know, on my 2016 Mercedes-Benz C300, it never came with an ambient light kit. So a few years back, I did that whole entire video series on installing different parts of ambient light kits on my car. And this was a whole entire aftermarket kit available from my sponsors over at DMP Car Design. It is not an OEM kit. And because that was a few years back, my kit is kind of outdated with the steering wheel controls to control the brightness and the color of the ambient light kit. So what I found out, all the latest kits shipped to customers from DMP Car Design, they're all using this screen to control the ambient light kit. So I reached out to DMP Car Design and see if I can do the same thing for my old kit, and they said yes. So I needed two things to make my old kit like the brand new kit. One, I needed a brand new wiring harness with a brand new module for my driver's side door. And two, I needed the MotorSure OBD2 dongle. So with those two items, I'm able to control my whole entire aftermarket ambient light kit using my screen. So the process of doing this is super easy. Let me show you how I did it. So before we start, let me show you my OEM interface. When I go over to vehicle and then I look through the settings, there's no option for ambient light controls. In order to change that, the first thing I needed to do was take my door panel off the driver's side and swap out my existing aftermarket wiring kit for the door with the brand new one that DMP Car Design supplied me. So I'm not going to go through the process of that. It's a one-for-one swap. Definitely go check out my first video of my ambient light series. You'll be able to see the door wiring harness being installed in that video. So once that's fully installed, the next thing to do is to plug in the MotorSure tool into the OBD2 port. So now on my phone, I went to the App Store and downloaded the MotorSure app. There's actually two versions. There's a Mercedes-Benz one and there's a German cars one. So the one I'm going to be using is the Mercedes-Benz one. So I'm going to select that app, let it load. And before I connect, I'm going to go and turn on the Bluetooth settings on my phone. Now I can go ahead and hit connect, and I'm going to select the MotorSure OBD2 tool. It's detecting my vehicle, and there you have it. It knows exactly which vehicle I have. So now I'm going to go over to mod, and I'm in the adjustment tab. So this whole section here, I can adjust a bunch of things, but I'm going to be focusing on the retrofitting tab. So under retrofitting, you can see there's ambient light controls, there's burmester activation, there's fragrance, there's tire pressure, there's a lot of things, but we're going to focus on activate ambient light. So I'm going to select that. And now I'm going to select option. And I'm going to select 3 color, and I'll tell you why later. So I'm going to hit activate, and now it's just going to take maybe about a minute or two to reprogram the vehicle. Okay, now it's done. I can go ahead and remove the OBD tool right from the car. Now I can go back into my vehicle setting, and if I keep scrolling through the features, and there it is. Ambient light controls. So the first one is ambient brightness. I'm just going to go down, and to change the brightness, I'm just going to scroll right. So in my car, since I have an aftermarket DMP Car Design touchpad, to scroll right, I just need to tap the right arrow. And then if I want to decrease brightness, I just need to scroll left or tap left. Okay, next is the ambient color control. So I'm going to go down, and as you can see, it shows 3 different colors, but don't let that fool you. So all I need to do is scroll right, but on my car, I'm going to tap right. The more I tap, it will keep circulating and it'll keep changing the color of my ambient light kit. And if I keep doing that, it'll scroll through all 64 different colors on my ambient light kit. And I can also go reverse as well. And that's it. Now I can control my whole entire aftermarket ambient light kit just like an OEM kit using my screen. How cool is that? Well, there you have it, a pretty easy process to upgrade my old aftermarket ambient light kit to be controlled like the brand new kits. It's definitely a lot cooler to change it with my screen versus using my steering wheel, which gets a little finicky sometimes. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you have any questions or comments whatsoever, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time.